Oh my god, Crackles, for the last time, I said the answer is no. I am not gonna be your Valentine on Valentine's Day.
Oh, come on, Rouge, please, I'm desperate. Please, I beg of you, I need a girlfriend, man. I'm sick and tired of spending Valentine's Day alone every freaking year, man. I really need a girlfriend, please, just this one time, please be my Valentine's Day. Please be my Valentine for just this one time. I promise I won't do it ever again. I won't tell you to be my Valentine's Day for every other year. Just please, just this one time, Rouge, please.
No, Crackles, the answer is no, okay? Why don't you understand the concept of no? No matter how many times you ask, and no matter how many times you beg, it's no. I do not want to be your Valentine on Valentine's Day. I already have a Valentine, and I'm with my boyfriend Knuckles. Not you, Crackles, Knuckles. He's way better, more handsomer, and way cooler than you in every way. So I would never ditch him for such a fat loser like you. So why don't you go spend Valentine's Day alone and go cry in the corner, big loser? I'm out of here.
But Rouge, wait, please, I'm sorry, please, don't go.
No, okay, no, I am leaving your fat, ugly, red tomato head looking ass, okay? I am leaving, okay? So why don't you go ahead and maybe grow some balls, and maybe you might get some girls. I don't really care, okay? Anyways, I'm done talking to your stupid, broke, red looking ass, so I'm gone. Good day, or whatever. I'm out of here.
But. Man, this Valentine's Day sucks. I can't get no girlfriend. Everybody hates me. No matter how many times I try to get a girl, all of them just reject me, call me ugly, call me fat. It's not fair. I just wish I could find a girlfriend of my own.
Oh my god, who the heck is crying so loud? What the? Crackles! Oh my god, what happened to you this time?
You see, Tails, I tried asking out Rouge so she could be my Valentine on Valentine's Day, and she rejected me. She called me fat, stupid, and ugly. It's not fair. I just wish I had a girlfriend.
Really? That's what you're crying about? Oh my gosh. Crackles, you do know I'm a genius, right?
Yeah, so what?
Well, have you ever considered that, I know how to make potions by any chance?
Potion? Man, how's a potion supposed to get me a girlfriend? What is wrong with you, Tails? You're not making any sense.
Oh my god, you're so stupid, Crackles. Oh my god, it's a love potion. I can make a love potion for you, okay? There, I said it. God, you suck at taking hints. Oh my goodness. Okay, I can make a love potion for you. There, happy now?
A love potion? No way, you're lying. There's no way you know how to make those.
Oh no, Crackles, I definitely know how to make a love potion. 100%.
So what you're saying is, if I give this love potion to Rouge and she drinks it, and then once the potion takes effect, she'll love me and only me forever?
Yep, that's right, Crackles.
So, could you possibly make a love potion for me?
I don't know. I'm not really sure. Considering you're kind of a jerk and all, I can understand why no one wants to be with you on Valentine's Day, so I'll have to think it over.
No, please, Tails, please, I'll do anything, I swear, please make the potion for me, I'll do anything, I swear, just name it, I'll never annoy you, I'll never bully you, I'll never call you names ever again, please, just do this for me, I swear I won't do anything to you, ever again, please.
Oh, alright. I'll make you a love potion just this once, Crackles, okay?
Oh, thank you, Tails, thank you!
Well, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the love potion, so I'll let you know when it's done. So in the meantime, you just sit here and wait, okay?
Alright, Tails, take your time, pal. Oh man, I can't wait for this. This is gonna be so cool.
Yes, it's gonna be something great to experiment on. Anyways, I'm gonna go work on the potion, so I'll see you in a bit.
Alright, bye, Tails. Oh boy, I can't wait. So now all I have to do is just sit here and wait until Tails is done with the potion. Yep, I'm sure it won't take that long.
3 hours later.
All right, Crackles. It's finally done.
Wait, is that the love potion? You finally finished it, Tails? It's finally really done? Are you being serious?
Yup, Crackles, the potion is finally finished. What you're seeing right here is a love potion. I just happened to put it in like a spray bottle, so it'll be easier instead of having them drink. Instead of making them drink, you could just spray it on. If you spray this stuff on anyone, the first person that looks into your eyes will automatically fall in love with you. It's a lot more simpler rather than having them, drink it instead. If you just spray a little bit on someone, then boom. As soon as they look into your eyes, they'll immediately fall in love with you forever. It's just that simple, and it's much more better that way. So, what do you think?
Oh my god, that's amazing! But wait a second. How do we know it'll work? I mean, did you test it on someone? Do you know? Are you 100% sure that it'll work on someone? Cause I don't know about this.
Actually, no. When you think about it, I haven't really gotten to test it on anyone before. So, I think I got just the right people in mind. Mighty, Classic Knuckles, can you come in here, please?
Yeah, what's up, Tails? What's going on? Yeah, what's going on, guys?
Well, nothing much. Just a little bit of this.
Oh, my eyes! Oh, what the frick, Tails? You sprayed that on my eyes! Ah!
Oh, my eyeballs! Oh, my face burns! Ah!
So, Classic Tails, how do we know this potion of yours is gonna work?
Oh, trust me, it's gonna work. Once they wake up and look at each other in the eyes, they'll automatically fall in love with each other. Just watch.
Alright. Oh my god. Oh, my eyes. Oh, that burns. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god, that freaking hurts so bad. What the frick? Oh my god, where have you been all in my life, Mighty? Oh, I could say the same thing about you, Knuckles. You look so handsome. Oh, you look handsome too. I think I love you, Classic Knuckles. Oh, I love you too, Mighty. Come here. Oh my god! Classic Knuckles is dating Mighty! Oh man, that's so funny! Oh my god, I gotta get this on footage! Oh man, this is so gonna get viral! Oh yeah, Classic Knuckles, kiss me more. Oh yeah, yeah, Mighty. Oh, Mighty, do you want to take this somewhere more private? Oh, where do you want to do this in private? Let's go in the closet and we can do each other in there. Oh yeah, good thinking. Let's go. Oh yeah, oh. Oh man, I got that all on video. Oh man, when I upload this video on my channel, it's gonna go viral. Oh man, that was so freaking hilarious. So you're right, Tails, it does work. Your potion actually works after all.
Yep, I stand corrected. My potion worked like a charm. So, yeah, I guess you can use this potion on anyone. Anyone you spray it on, and as soon as they look into that person's eyes, they will automatically fall in love with you forever. As you just saw, Mighty and Classic Knuckles easily fell in love with each other as soon as I sprayed them. So, it seems like it works every time.
Yeah. Oh, I'm definitely gonna take this potion. Thank you so much, Tails. You're an amazing. You are awesome. I owe you so much. Thank you.
And no problem, Crackles, no problem. Take care. Hopefully he won't abuse that too much.
Oh, there she is. Oh, there she is, Rouge. Okay, you got this. Alright, you got this. Just one little spray, and then she'll love you forever. Alright, just one little spray. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Huh? What the? Crackles, what are you doing here? What is that?
This is just some nice perfume I wanted to show you because, I don't know, I think you're just very pretty and, you know, I'm sure you're the kind of person that likes to put on perfume, so, I got some perfume for you, so, do you like it?
Well, Crackles, I am flattered, but I already have enough perfume as it is, so I'm gonna have to pass.
Oh, come on, wouldn't you at least want to try at least some?
I don't know.
Oh, come on, please, just this once.
Alright, fine. Just spray some on me then.
Oh, gladly. Here.
What the? Ah! My face! Ah! My gut! That stuff got in my face! Ah! Oh, it burns! Ah!
Oh no, Rouge! Rouge! Are you okay? Speak to me! Come on, Rouge! Speak to me! Get up! Get up!
Oh man. Oh, that felt so weird.
Rouge, are you feeling okay?
Oh, am I okay? I'm more than okay. Where have you been in my life, Crackles? For the first time, I just find you so attractive.
Oh my god. Really?
Yes, I just can't resist your cute, beautiful face.
Oh my god! She called me beautiful, and she called me cute! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
And you're so handsome too, my cracky poo.
She called me her cracky poo! Oh my god, yes! Yes! Okay, now I have to ask you the biggest question ever. Rouge, can I ask you a huge question?
Ask me anything, cracky poo.
Okay, Rouge, do you want to be my Valentine for Valentine's Day?
Oh, I would love to be your Valentine's Day, Crackles. I thought you'd never ask.
Yes! Yes! I got a girl! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Yes! I finally got a girlfriend to call my own. Finally! Oh, thank you, Classic Tails. You are a lifesaver. Yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. Yes!
Oh, you're so cute when you get excited. Let me cuddle you.
This feels nice. Oh.
Oh, you're so cute when you're flustered, Cracky Poo.
She just kissed me. She just kissed me. Oh my god, yes. Oh, I love you too, Rouge. Come here. Oh, that felt so good.
Yeah, that felt really good, Cracky Poo.
Oh yeah, Rougie. That felt so good. What did you say? Why don't we take this somewhere more private, just you and me?
I'd like that.
Oh yeah, let's go.
I'm really nervous about today, Tails. Today's Valentine's Day, and I don't have a Valentine. I really feel nervous about today. Wow, Sticks. I mean, that's really something. I mean, well, for me, I don't really have a Valentine, I just spend my time building stuff, working on some new inventions of mine. I hang out with my bro Sonic and my homie Knuckles. So, I really don't really care if I'm taken or have a Valentine or not. But for you, it just seems kind of unnatural. I mean, what kind of guys are you into, Sticks? Well, I'm kind of into Knuckles. I kind of find him really cute, but I just don't really have the courage to ask him out, I'm just really shy and embarrassed, and I feel like he won't like me back. Psh, what? Are you serious, Sticks? Of course Knuckles would totally love to be your Valentine. He's single too, you're single, and you guys are both very talented in your own way. Knuckles is really strong. Well, he's not the brightest guy ever, but he is pretty strong, and he does help out once in a while. But, he helps out when it really counts, so I guess that counts for something. But he's still a cool guy, and I'm sure you guys would make a great couple. You really think so, Tails? I know so, Sticks. It never hurts to just ask him out, alright? At least the worst thing you can do is just say no. So, at least give it a try. Try to ask him out. I guess you're right. It doesn't hurt to at least ask him out, At least I tried in the end when I asked him out, so yeah, I guess it doesn't hurt to ask him out at least once. Yeah, that's the spirit, Sticks. So the next time you see Knuckles, ask him out and ask him to be your Valentine. Oh wait, there he is right now, Sticks. He's over there. Wait, what?
Oh yeah, nothing like a little boxing session with the wall. Yeah, that's how it's done.
Wow. Wow, I can't believe he's already here. Well, I guess I could ask him. Huh? What is it, Sticks? What's this perfume just sitting around here for? It looks pretty interesting. Has a nice color blue, but it could be water. I don't know what that is. It's definitely some strange liquid, but it definitely looks like something. Oh, maybe it's perhaps some perfume that someone left there. Maybe you should try it, and maybe it'll get Knuckles to like you more. I don't know. I don't really do well with perfume. I never really tried it. Well, now's your chance to try it. It's just sitting here, and I'm sure it's not gonna do anything weird to you, so come on, try it out. It can't be that bad, right? Yeah, you're right. I could try it. It could help me get noticed by Knuckles more, so yeah, I guess I could try it. What's the worst that can happen, right? Exactly. There you go, Sticks. Now try on the perfume so you can get noticed by Knuckles more. Alright, here I go. Alright, just so, how do I do this? I think you just spray it on yourself. Okay, so I just go like this. Ah! My face! Ah! Sticks!
Huh? What's the commotion? Huh? Sticks!
Sticks! Are you okay? Oh my gosh, are you alright?
Whoa, what's going on here, Tails? What happened? What happened to Sticks?
Well, she tried putting on some perfume, but she accidentally sprayed it in her face, and now she collapsed on the ground. She sprayed it into her face on accident. Oh no, Sticks, are you okay? Get up!
Oh my gosh, that sounds terrible. Oh no. Come on, Sticks, get up!
Oh man, my face hurts so bad. What even was that?
Sticks, you alright? Sticks, why are you looking at me like that?
Oh, nothing, Knuckles. I mean, I just can't get over how handsome you look. Oh, you look so handsome.
Oh, thanks, Sticks. Are you feeling okay?
Oh, yes, Knuckles. I'm feeling more than okay now that I met you.
Sticks, you're getting really close. What are you doing?
Oh, it's okay, Knuckles. I've been wanting to do this for so long.
Wait, what are you doing?
Oh my gosh! Jeez, she just went straight for it. I mean, that doesn't sound like her. Oh, jeez.
Oh, Sticks, I'm flattered. I don't know what to say.
It's okay, Knuckles. You can say it.
This is making me feel too uncomfortable. I have to leave.
What? No, Knuckles, come back. I love you.
Whoa, Sticks, you're taking this way too fast. I need time before I'm ready for a relationship. I gotta get out of here. See ya. Ugh.
No, Knuckles, come back. I love you. Please don't leave me. What the actual F is going on today? This is a weird day. I'm tired. I want to go to sleep. I'm going to sleep this over.
The next day.
Oh, I love you so much, Rouge. I wish this could last forever.
Me too, my cracky poo.
Oh yeah, my Rougie.
What the?
Huh? What's wrong?
Ah, get off of me! Oh!
Whoa!
You're disgusting. Do you honestly think I'd ever be with you? What am I even doing here? And why was I kissing you? Ugh, gross. I'm getting out of here.
What? No, Rouge, wait, come back! You're supposed to love me forever! Where are you going?
Ew, love you? Love you? I'd rather die than love you, you fat, ugly piece of crap. I'm out of here.
No! The potion wore off! Are you serious? You gotta be freaking kidding me! Oh man, this possibly couldn't get any worse. Hey! You! Crackles! Were you making out with my girlfriend last night? Oh no. Hi, Knuckles. No, I wasn't making out with your girlfriend. I swear, it was a big misunderstanding. I swear, I did not make out with your girlfriend. I swear to God, I didn't do anything. Oh, hell no. I saw what you did. You put a love potion on her and you were making out with her last night. I was so furious, and now you're dead meat. Get over here. Oh crap, things just got worse. No, Knuckles, please, Knuckles, we can talk about this. Almighty, you're so hot. You too, Knuckles. What the heck? Oh my god! What the hell? Was I kissing you? And was I kissing you? What the heck? What is going on? I don't freaking know. All I remember is that Tails called us over for something, and we got sprayed with some stuff, and then I passed out. Exactly the same thing happened to me. Like, what the heck? You know what, Classic Knuckles? I got the feeling that Tails did something to us. Yeah, I got that same feeling too, Mighty. How about we go pay Tails a visit? Yeah, I agree. Let's go teach that two-tailed loser a lesson. Huh. Yeah, let's go get him.
Oh, where you going, Knuckles? Come back, I love you.
Oh crap, I cornered myself in the bathroom. Why did I corner myself in the freaking bathroom? Oh no.
Oh, hi there, Knuckles. Did you corner yourself in the bathroom? Oh, you so silly.
Sticks, come on now. We can talk about this, Sticks. We can talk about this, alright? This isn't normally how you act, okay? Something's up, alright? Did someone put you up to this? Because this is not how you normally act.
Oh no, I normally act this way, Knuckles. I normally acted this way, but I pretended to not be interested in you so I can get closer to you. And now I just can't hold my feelings for you anymore. And now I want to be with you forever and ever and ever.
Whoa, Sticks, you're taking this way too fast. Okay, I mean, I like you and all, but like, this is way too forced.
Oh, come on, Knuckles. Just let me get a little closer to you. I promise I'll make you feel so much better.
No, stay away!
Ooh, you're so soft.
This is really making me feel really uncomfortable. Please, Sticks, get off!
But I just want to make you feel good.
No, it's just weird. Stop.
I know. Maybe a kiss will make you feel better.
Wait, what?
Did that make you feel better? You're so cute when you blush. Ooh, my head. Oh. Wait, what's going on? Where am I?
You mean you don't remember what just happened or what you just did?
What? No, I don't remember anything. All I remember is that I sprayed myself with some perfume and then I passed out and now I'm here and wait, did I kiss you?
Yeah, like several times. Like, what happened to you?
Like I said, I don't know. I don't remember anything. I just remember putting on some perfume and then I passed out. Like, what happened? What did I do?
Well, for starters, you were chasing me around saying you loved me and you wanted to make out with me and be with me and stuff, and it was really weird. Like, you were obsessed over me, and when I say obsessed, I mean obsessed. Like, you could not stop chasing me or leaving me alone, not even for a second. It was really weird and uncomfortable.
Oh my god, was I really like that? Oh no. Oh, Knuckles, I'm so sorry. I don't know what came over me. I couldn't control myself. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's alright, Sticks. At least you came back to your senses. It's alright. It's alright. I forgive you.
But how can you forgive me when I almost put you through torture? I mean, oh, I'm so embarrassed right now.
Sticks, relax. I forgive you, okay? You don't put Sticks, relax. I forgive you. Don't put too much blame on yourself. It's okay. People make mistakes, and I don't believe that was entirely you. You must have been taken over by something. I don't know. Maybe you were influenced by some type of love potion or something. I don't know. But what's the important thing here is that you're back to normal, and you're not crazy or obsessive over me anymore.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Man, this is not how I wanted my Valentine's Day to be. Oh.
Yeah, I didn't picture my Valentine's Day being this either. This is definitely a really weird Valentine's Day, not gonna lie.
Yeah, Knuckles, I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to do all those things. Oh.
Like I said, Sticks, don't worry about it. That wasn't you. That was not you. You were influenced by the love potion and stuff, so you're all good. You're in the clear. I forgive you.
Alright, but now what? What do we do now?
Honestly, I have no idea. But, well, maybe you and me can try dating the proper way, but taking it, nice and slow.
Oh, really? You still want to date me even after all this stuff that just happened?
Of course, Sticks. I mean, that wasn't all you anyway, so this time I want to start things for real and date the real you. So, what do you say?
I'd love to, Knuckles. I'd love to.
Alright, Sticks. Let's get out of here and hang out somewhere else. Come on.
Okay. What a great morning it is today. What the heck? What's my love potion doing over here? Ugh, Crackles. What an idiot. He just left it around here. Whatever, I'm sure he got what he wanted to do with it, so I'll just put it back. Well, job well done. You did it again, Tails. You created an amazing love potion for anyone to use. I am too good.
Yo, Tails, we got a beef to pick with you. Yeah, man, we got a beef to pick with your ass.
Oh, and what do you guys want?
We want payback for you trying to make us fall in love with each other. Yeah, trying to make us look gay. How dare you, Tails? Yeah, so any last words before me and Mighty beat you to the ground?
Oh yeah, just one. Eat this!
Oh, my eyes! Oh, no, not again! Oh, Mighty. Oh, classic Knuckles. Oh, let's take this to the closet again. Oh, yeah, last night was fine. Let's do it again. Oh, yeah.
Gets funnier every time. Well, I think I had my fun with this. Time for me to put it away so nobody abuses its power for, whatever they want. So, I'm gonna put this away. You did good, Classic Tails. You did good.